Global Indians, chapter number 5, India Unlimited. From Pulitzer winning writers to multi billionaire magnates, from medical trailblazers to sportsmen, Indians have left an indelible mark in the world history. Indelible means that cannot be removed or washed out. Read the description and write the names of the global Indians. Question number 1. He joined the world's largest software company in 1992 and has since orchestrated some of the biggest cloud computing projects in the world, all the while keeping his head firmly out of them. Presently, he is the CEO of the company. Satya Nadella. Second, he is an Indian sculptor who has lived and worked in London since the early 1970s. When he moved to study art, he represented Britain in the 44 Venice Biennale in 1990. In 1991, he received the Turner Prize. Anish Kapoor. Third one, he is an Indian American attorney and the US attorney for the Southern District of New York. In 2012, he was named by Time magazine as one of the most influential people in the world. Preet Bharara. Fourth one, this Indian is an American actor and comedian. He stars on Tom Haverford on the NBC National Broadcasting Company show Parks and Recreation. He began his career performing stand-up comedy in New York City in 2000 while attending New York University. Aziz Ansari. Fifth one, he is the Indian origin steel tycoon. Tycoons, a person who is very successful in business or industry and who has become rich and powerful. That person we are calling tycoon. He is the chairman and CEO of ArcelorMittal, the world's largest steel making company. As of 2014, he has an estimated net worth of $16.3 billion according to Forbes magazine. Lakshmi Mittal. Sixth one, he is an American hotelier. Hotelier means a person who owns or manages a hotel and former actor. He has carved a name for himself in the luxury hospitality industry. He owns Dream Hotels, which has 6 5-star and 5-star plus hotels under its umbrella. Vikram Chatwal. No more. Sir Ahmad Salman Rushdie is a world-renowned Indian-American author. He is the author of 11 novels. Salman Rushdi's full name is Sir Ahmad Salman Rushdie. Study well, children. India Limited. Guest in India, chapter 5, continuing. India has a rich history. Its fascinating monuments and heritage sites stand quietly today to retell their story of joy, sorrow, courage, and sacrifice. Since ancient times, many people have been visiting India. Read the description and name the foreign travelers who have visited India. Take help from the given clause. Clause given you have to take from this clause. He was a Greek Ethnographer. Ethnography, in-depth study of a culture. Ethnographer and explorer in the Hellenistic period. Hellenistic period meaning period from death of Alexander the Great in 323 BC to the middle of the 1st century BC. Author of the work Indica. He was born in Asia Minor and became an ambassador of Seleucus I of the Seleucid dynasty, possibly to Chandragupta Maurya in Pataliputra, India. Megasthenes. Second, he was a Russian merchant and one of the first Europeans to document his visit to India. He described his trip in a narrative known as The Journey Beyond Three Seas. Afanasy Nikitin. He was a Chinese Buddhist monk, scholar, traveler, and translator who described the interaction between China and India in the early Tang dynasty. Huan Sang. He traveled to the Indian subcontinent and became the most important interpreter of Indian science to the Islamic world. He was an impartial writer on custom and creeds of various nations and was given the title Al-Ustad, that means the master, for his remarkable description of early 11th century India. Al-Biruni. Full name is Abu Rayhan Al-Biruni. Fifth one, he was a Moroccan explorer of Berber descent. He is known for his extensive travels, accounts of which were published in the Rila. He visited India in 1020 AD. Rila means he was known for his traveling and undertaking excursions. Ibn Battuta. Full name is Abu Abdullah Muhammad Ibn Battuta. He was an Italian merchant traveler from Venice whose travels are recorded in Livres des Marveilles du Monde, a book that introduced Europeans to Central Asia and China. He is said to have visited India twice. Marco Polo. Study will India Limited, 5th chapter continuing. States and Union Territories. India is a parliamentary republic with a multi-party system. It comprises 29 states and 7 union territories. The states and union territories are subdivided into districts, tahsils and villages. Take the correct option in each case. As per the 2011 census, this city has a population of 34,970, making it the least populous of the Indian state capitals. Itanagar, capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Second, Arunachal Pradesh was a union territory until 1987 when it was granted statehood. Which other UT became a state in the same year? Which one? Mizoram. Name the newest state of India. Telangana. Everybody know. 10 districts from northeastern Andhra Pradesh. Telangana consists of. Which river flows through Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Gomti. In which Indian state is Sanskrit one of the official language of the state government? Uttarakhand. What is the state flower of Haryana? Lotus. Which state has its state tree as the almond? Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has the largest population? Uttar Pradesh. In which state is the Elephant Falls located? Meghalaya. When was Telangana formed? 2nd June 2014. Who took oath as the first Chief Minister of Telangana? Chandrasekhar Rao. Which of the following dynasties ruled Telangana? Kakatiya. When did the bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir come to effect? 31 October 2019. Study, children.